Cleaners Connect. About to do a total of 3 areas, 3 jobs today, all repeat clients. They got all the stuff moved out of the rooms for me. But I want you guys to hear something in this big room right here, which counts as 2. Again, all the furniture moved, having good communication skills. Your customers will listen. Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Carey, let me ask you a question. So when I was pulling, because the first time I cleaned the house, it was vacant. But this time I'm back. As soon as I started setting up, you guys noticed the floor mats and the corner guards. So let me ask you a question. As a customer, how much does this show, or how much do you guys care about these kind of things like this?
It shows a level of professionalism
Yeah,
that's
I like
far
that.
beyond anyone else.
Wow.
Yeah.
So if you ever use someone else and they didn't do this, you will remember this.
Oh my
Yeah.
goodness, yes. We would be like, why aren't you protecting our property?
There you go.
Yeah.
That's simple. Because I seen Miss Carey smiling, and she was like, "What a."
Yeah. Well, at first I'm thinking it was like duck feet. I'm like, what's going on? And then I honestly I thought it said Trump, and I'm like, what?
No, true, man. No, man.
But,
But
no,
then,
it's,
but then I noticed what it was, and I'm like, yeah. So it looks like a duck with the duck feet.
Yes.
it's a spectacular
But it's a good
addition
idea. I
to
just
the work
never
you've done.
thought
To
about
the
that.
to the experience.
It's a great
Um,
evolution.
And it took me less than 10 seconds to put them down.
Yeah.
So these are the things that, we try to go above and beyond by showing customers that, we care more. Because again, you are paying us to do a service and we're supposed to do it right. But it's these little things like this that customers just appreciate. And when they see us do it, they're like, wow, we never seen that before.
Well, we also will speak about it. It'll be telling people, do you realize the level they go to protect your property, not only to provide the service that you're asking for?
Exactly.
And that separates you from the big chain companies that go in and just mule out washing carpets. And
Yep.
and
In and out. Yeah.
Yeah.
appreciate it.
There we
Yeah,
go,
'cause
man.
When we moved from Florida to here, we had to have the house professionally done. I've never seen anything like that.
Never seen anything like that.
No.
There we go. That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Yep, they call it duck guards. Yep. All right, guys. Some will listen, some won't. But at the end of the day, customers do care.